Will humans ever visit Mars? Well, Mars remains our horizon goal for human exploration because it is one of the only other places we know where life may have existed in the solar system. What we learn about the red planet will tell us more about our Earth's past and future, and may help answer whether life exists beyond our home planet. NASA is readying to send astronauts to Mars by the 2030s, and the agency's first year-long simulated mission took one giant leap toward making that goal a reality. Mars does have an atmosphere, but it is about 100 times thinner than Earth's atmosphere, and it has very little oxygen. The atmosphere on Mars is made up of mainly carbon dioxide. An astronaut on Mars would not be able to breathe the Martian air and would need a spacesuit with oxygen to work outdoors. NASA is developing technologies to support human life on Mars, including life support systems that can recycle water, air, and food. They are also investigating power systems, such as fission surface power. Engineers and scientists around the country are working to develop the technologies astronauts will use to one day live and work on Mars and safely return home to Earth. However, there is still a ton of work to be done, as making a human trip to Mars will be challenging, Space.com writes. The distance itself will play a major factor. Earth and Mars are an average of 140 million miles away from each other, and it would take about 500 days round trip to get between the two planets. Assuming the funding and technology come into play at the right time. Astronauts traveling to Mars, however, would encounter radiation levels higher than humans have ever experienced and be exposed to them for much longer. To protect them, the spacecraft would either have to be much bulkier, making launches expensive and difficult, or be made of more efficient shielding materials.